Okay, I bought this hair clipper and came today right now. It wasn't expensive, it was really cheap. So this is it. This is the hair clipper. Okay. Oh, very small. Okay. And what's inside? Got a USB Type-C, some oil, brush, and guards, and the manual. Okay, it's very small. I didn't expect that. Okay, you see how small it is? A clipper and a small blade. A fade blade, small one, and it's not a clicky lever, it's a floating lever. Okay. I guess this one is good for baby. I don't know. Okay. You see how small it is? It's a no name, no. I don't know. Okay. RPM test. It's a plastic. The idea is not bad. Okay, and the sound. Comparing how big it is. See that? You see that? Even StyleCraft Saber trimmer is longer. Yo, it's really small, man. And now compared to normal clipper. See that? Very small. Comparing to this one, so it doesn't fit. As you can see, it doesn't fit. So this one is really small. Okay. So this is a plastic. So it's a maybe 280, maybe FF 280 motor. I guess so. Okay, I need to remove this one. Yeah, it is FF28. So without the blade, 6,400 RPM. This is the motor that comes with it, and I'm gonna try to put this motor on it. Yes, so it's finally finished, and here is it. And it's very, very quiet. It would have been really good if maybe the normal blade fits on this clipper. It would have been really perfect. So I'm out. Peace, man. Brushless motor. 7,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM.